Okay. Let's color. Color. Here you go. Don't eat it. Want the blue one? Here. It's the red one, see? You gotta get the tip down. There we go. Look. Yay! Here we go. Uh-oh, I got it. There you go. Look, you're making little marks. Look. You gotta get the tip out. There you go. An orange one? There's orange. That's awesome. There you go. There you go. Concentrating so hard. There you go. Here, let me show you. Nope, you can't have the camera. You dropped the crayon. Uh-oh, dropped another one. Let's show everybody your work of art. Here it is so far. It's a regular Picasso. Get that out of your mouth.